Well, NASA's two-decade-long mission to Saturn is coming to a fiery end.
Yeah, hours from now, the Cassini spacecraft is going to make a final dramatic dive into the ringed planet's atmosphere. Chris Martinez explains why scientists call it a groundbreaking mission.
Giovanni Domenico Cassini.
After more than a decade studying Saturn, Rosalie Lopez has come to think of the Cassini spacecraft as a member of the team.
This is about half the size of it.
Yeah, it's half the size.
It's why saying goodbye is so bittersweet.
It's sad. On the other hand, you're pleased that the job was done and it was well done.
And liftoff of the Cassini spacecraft on a billion-mile trek to Saturn.
20 years after Cassini left Earth, its mission is ending. Since arriving at Saturn in 2004, the probe has beamed back more than 300,000 images of the ringed giant and its dozens of moons. This one, called Enceladus, now getting a lot of attention after Cassini revealed a global ocean beneath its frozen surface.
These ocean worlds, these moons orbiting these giant planets, are places where there could be current life actually living.
Eric Sturm was just a senior in college when Cassini left Earth. He's now plotting its final hours. The spacecraft is nearly out of gas and will use what's left to plunge itself into Saturn's atmosphere, sending back data as it burns up.
We're collecting science all the way up until the last minute.
It's a fiery end to a voyage that will fuel research for years to come. New missions to Saturn, perhaps to look for life, are already in the works. Chris Martinez, CBS News, Pasadena, California.
Just to give you an idea, the Cassini spacecraft is about the size of a small school bus. Mission is a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency. Very romantic how they're calling it, like the grand finale, the last kiss. Final kiss goodbye. I mean, they're taking this sucker and plunging it into the atmosphere.
All in the name of science.
Exploding into a fiery ball of destruction.
Scientific data.
Yeah.
A fiery ball of scientific data. I like that, yeah. Should we do this with all of our spacecrafts? Like, we don't need it anymore. Let's just go crashing into a planet.
If we learn something.
Which planet do you want to go for?
Uranus.
Of course you do.
That's the right joke. 87 degrees, you guys aren't going to touch that one, huh?
No.
Come on.